Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where we will be finishing our tutorial, and we have the Convai demo mobile app scene still open. I will click on the Convai base scene prefab, right click prefab, unpack completely. And in project assets, Convai scenes, duplicate the mobile scene. AR AI is what I'm labeling the scene, making sure to place it in the build settings. Double click it. And we will click into scenes. We will click Amelia and untick the box so she disappears. And we will right click XR origin, I will move it up to the top. And we will add AR plane manager. And we need the default So go to project assets prefabs and then click the origin again and drag the default plane into the AR plane manager. We will add the AR raycast manager to it. And the plane toggle. And the new input system. And we will put the stay cube in for now. We will click the origin, XR origin, and making sure that it is at 0, 0, 0. And click our character. And if we move him, we can see him in the camera. But we want a camera offset at -180, making sure the main camera is the main camera. And then if we click our character and drag him backwards, we'll see him. And I will click the plane. And drop down the actions, parent object, and we will click the ball and the box. And we will move this down just so that we can get a good picture of where the ball and cube is aligned with the character's feet. And if we can see the ball in the background of the game tab, and then we click the box and let's move that closer. There it is. File, save. And I'll click Amelia just so we can see what she has in the inspector here. So she has a Convai NPC script, which our character does, but nothing else. So we need to add the Convai actions handler to our one. And in the actions method, move to action, move to, animation name will be walking. And then in the pickup method, it'll be picking up action name. And same with the drop, because we'll just reverse the picking up. And we can leave the action response list empty. Let's add the Convai lip sync. And we'll click the character, and with the Convai lip sync, drop down your character's children, and we will look for the head and place it in the head skin mesh. Same with the teeth skinned mesh renderer. And mine doesn't have the tongue, jaw, so we will just leave those blank. And we will just change this to Reallusion Plus. Add a character controller. And the character head and eye tracking. And we need a camera, so we will come up to here and grab the XR Origin main camera. Place that there into the tracked object. And that should be everything that we need, because if we go to Amelia, she should have the exact same stuff. I will just save this. We need to go back into the Move Cube. Sorry, not the Move Cube, Prefabs. Make sure we're in Project Assets, Prefabs folder, and then double click the Move Cube scene. Sorry, I was still in the prefabs there. Scenes, Move Cube, and we want to add the app management to the prefab. And let's rename this canvas Move Cube Canvas. Place it in prefabs, file, save project. Go back to assets, Convai, scenes, then back into your AR AI scene, back into prefabs, where I will add this canvas so we have the buttons. I will right click, prefab, unpack completely, and we will add the app management into the hierarchy and go to Move Cube Canvas, rename this to AR Canvas, and if we click toggle, main menu and exit, we can place the app management into the on click and just click the exit button, app management, exit application, main menu, app management, change scene, and the string's still set to main menu, which is good. And then in the toggle button, we will add the XR origin, no function, plain toggle, toggle detection. But what we need to do is make the exit button smaller. And similar to the main menu and toggle, and we will move those more to the left. I will double click my character and just make sure he's highlighted with the ball and the box. And I will move him closer to the camera. And then I'll click the plane, deactivate that by unchecking it in the inspector. And the ball and the box has gravity, so we will click both of them, and in the inspector, under the rigid body component, where it says use gravity, just uncheck that, and that way when we press play, the ball and box will not fall. We will drop down the XR origin camera offset main camera, and we will add Convai gRPC API, which will automatically add the NPC manager. And we can leave the active Convai NPC blank. That'll fill in once we press play. I will just save this. And we can click Convai Player Character and untick the box in the inspector. And let's double click our character. And click the ball in the box. And we'll move him back. I forgot to uncheck this, which is what made the position of everything not great. But we will rectify that by just clicking our character, the ball and the box. Save this. We will drop down the UI parent and click the Convai transcript UI and click the mobile chat prefab. And what we're going to do is place this into the hierarchy just so we can see it for a moment. Position ourselves correctly. So I will highlight the panel and the Convai attribution, input field, recording, and settings panel. And actually untick the Convai transcript. Place it here. It is a bit difficult to see at this point, but if we just click the panel and chat scroll view, you can see exactly where it is. I will click the panel and the chat view and change the size on this. And as we are changing, you can see the dotted lines inside the box, which would be the chat scroll view. And with the recording and the settings and the Convai attribution, we will move this up and click the input field. Get rid of that because we don't need that. Click the panel, chat scroll view. It's a bit up. We will move this down. That'll do for now. And the recording, we will move to the left. And up a bit. Move it underneath the main menu button. And I will click the Convai transcript canvas mobile prefab and go to override, apply all. Click the transcript canvas, delete it from the scene, file save, save project. We will click our character again and just move him closer to the camera so that he can activate the pop-up. But when we build this to our phone, we won't need to do this. We can walk up to the character. So I will file, save project. Before I click play, make sure the origin, exit origin has these settings. And the camera offset is minus 180. And that this is the main camera settings. With the Convai NPC Manager script. And do not fill in the active Convai NPC. This will be initialized on play. And our canvas, the toggle button, toggle detection, main menu, and exit. And now let's press play. Hello.
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 How can
How
I
can I
assist you
assist you
today?
today?
Can you please walk to the cube? Sometimes it takes a few seconds for it to reach when you're making your calls. But essentially, this AR app has an AI in it, and I will just press the play button to stop the. And if we press, we'll clear the console and press play again and see if the AI works this time. I just gave it a few moments to finish processing. Hello, can you walk to the ball? There seems to be an issue with the calls being made at this point. We will end the video here because once you are successful on your side, I'll just press the play button to stop this. Then you'll be able to press the button and talk to your AI like we just did by saying hello. But you'll be able to ask the AI to walk to the ball, pick up the ball, and also walk to you. So, can you walk to me? And the AI will walk to you. And you just need to say the word box instead of ball, and the AI will walk to the box. Or drop the box and ball. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.